Hello everyone. As students, we all know that how stressful exam seasons can be. So trying to balance between the classes, preparing the study materials, taking the proper exam preparations, study schedules, looming deadlines, and lots more. So today I'm excited to share one app. The name of the app is Study Buddy Planner. The Buddy Planner, a secure AI assistant designed to automate study scheduling and milestones planning. So that's the main aim here. Next question is coming in mind that what it is. Study Buddy Planner is a personalized academic agent built on the Google Agent Development Kit 2.0. It coordinates multiple specialized sub-agents and connects to real-world services to help the students stay on the top of their studies safely and efficiently. That's the main motto, main purpose of this application. So let us see the corresponding, the banner. So I shall go to the assets, then I shall, under the assets folder, I shall open the banner here. So now this is a corresponding banner, the Study Buddy Planner, a secure multi-agent academic scheduling. It can do the calendar scheduling, exam timelines, and safety guardrails. So these are the main purpose of this one. At a glance, the Study Buddy Planner is all about the calendar scheduling, exam timelines, and the safety guardrails, helping students create actionable study itineraries and tailored to their needs. Let us discuss about the architecture of this whole application. So this is the corresponding architecture you are finding here. So professional AI agent workflow, Study Buddy Planner. So let's talk about it, how it works under the hood. Every request begins at the start, and now from the start, the immediately it will be sent to the security checkpoint. So now it will be sent to the security checkpoint. Now at this, if the input is safe, that means when the input is safe, then it will be routed. It will be routed to the orchestrator agent. This orchestrator agents coordinates with two specialized sub-agents. One is called the study scheduler agent, another one is called the exam prep agent. So these two agents are there. So they should be called as the sub-agents. And via this agent tool, the study scheduler agent, that means this one, which generates the weekly study blocks. And the exam prep agent, that means this one, and which designs the milestones leading up to the exam dates. Both sub-agents make call to our custom Study Buddy MCP server, which exposes the tools to get the calendar events, add the study blocks, get the subject specific studies tips, and calculate the date countdowns. The final output is sent to the human in the loop, review the node where the student can approve or adjust the plan before it is getting finalized. That means, the corresponding review node is this one. So where the student can accept the corresponding planner got prepared by the agent, or can go for some customizations, adding his or her some own inputs, and the final output node will be obtained. And that's the one. So now let us go for one live demonstration of this particular application. So now what is the live demonstration here? So let me go for this. Look at it. Now what I shall do, I shall put one prompt here. So this is a corresponding prompt. Now what is the prompt is saying? I have a CS 101 midterm exam on 2026 July 15th and need a study plan. Let's make it 2 hours a day, and also email my results to ornab@test.com, and the student ID is S12345. So let's see that it is in action. So now let us go for this particular prompt here, and against this prompt, what will be the output? Let me discuss that one in front of you. Notice how the security checkpoint immediately subscribes my email and the student ID to keep my personal data private. Next, the orchestrator delegates to the exam prep agent, as we discussed in our architecture. I can open the architecture one again in front of you. So this is the corresponding architecture. So now what will happen after putting this particular prompt? Notice how the security checkpoint immediately scrubs my email ID and the student ID to keep my personal data private. Next, the orchestrator delegates to the exam prep agent, and that means we're talking about this one. And then exam prep agent, and then it will be as we are having 2 weeks left, so now depending upon this particular purpose, the 2 hours study blocks around my existing calendar events will be prepared. Now the workflow will pause and the screen shows a draft plan and asks, do you want to approve or you want to adjust this corresponding plan? If I type adjust to more breaks, the orchestrator will update it, but let's type the approve, then the plan will be approved here. So now let me run this one, and also the one workflow will be created on the left pane. So it is getting processed. It was working fantastic. It was giving all the respect to one. Due to some quota issue, it has got paused today right now, but the corresponding workflow has been created and it was working fine. So now what is the next agenda? The next agenda is that we have discussed about the banner, we discussed about the architecture, we went for the live demo. Now let me discuss about the security and MCP. So if you open the respective, this one is the ID. So here we had this particular project has got multiple phases. So phase 0, phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, phase 4, phase 5, phase 6, and phase 7. So all the phases got executed perfectly right. So I asked that, this agent that whether did you complete all the phases, and all the 8 phases got completed with proper success and with the proper evaluations. This secure workflow is made possible by our security checkpoint and scrubs private information and blocks the prompt injections and warns the students if they request unhealthy schedule, like say 16 hours per day. So obviously, more than 16 hours per day. Obviously, in that case, the app will register that one. Additionally, our custom model context protocol server exposes 4 tools that connect the agent directly to the student's mock academic database and the respective calendar. So now let us discuss about the impact. What is the corresponding impact here? So main impact is that StudyBuddy-Planner makes one academic organization effortless while guaranteeing the data privacy. It ensures the students work smarter and stay healthy and never miss a midterm deadline. So thank you, everybody. I hope that everyone could understand what is the purpose of this particular app and how beautifully this app is very much linked with the contemporary and the events or the problems the students used to face and how the student can use this particular app in a very effective way. Thanks you once again.